Today we're going to be unboxing the Phenom II X4 965 Black Edition from AMD. So this is a socket AM3 processor, and this is the C3 step-in variant that has a 125 watt TDP. And as you can see your processor upside down there. So I'm going to open it up. So inside you got processor, box, manual, and a box full with a heatsink in it. So there's your processor. You get a good look of it. And set it down. Also has a Phenom sticker with it. You get a massive instruction manual from AMD that I'm not going to bother opening because it's going to take forever to put back. You can leave that over there. And then also included in the box, if I can get it out, is a 60mm fan. And then, if I can remember, there is a 4-heat pipe cooler with a copper base with purified thermal paste. The copper base is nice and smooth, and quick reflection shows that it's level, which is good. So a lot of people in reviews have complained that this thing is noisy. So unless you really can't afford to, I would replace this with something such as the Cooler Master Hyper 212 Evo, which I have in my own system. So it is 940 pins, all nice like that. None of them are bent, that's good. Just going to sit it back there and close that back off. And that concludes my unboxing of the AMD Phenom II. Thank you for watching.